Reskill man after he allegedly cut his wife's throat during domestic dispute. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com and to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, shameful and deliberate. Opposition PNP criticizes government for not voting on UN resolution for truce in Gaza. And it doesn't help us. St. Elizabeth residents react to plans to spruce up Holland bamboo. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.